Hello students, I have divided the reproduction in organism into two parts. Part 1 includes the asexual reproduction, whereas part 2 includes the sexual reproduction. First, the process of reproduction. It is the process by which we get our offsprings or babies. The species divided into numerous numbers from 1 to 1,000 and more than that. It is by this biological process of reproduction. Lifespan. It is the period from birth to death. It varies from organism to organism, species to species. In human, it varies from 0 to 60, 0 to 100. In animals, like dog has 13 to 15 years, tortoise have 200 to 300 years of age, whereas in birds, crow has 15 years, whereas parrot has 40 years. So it depends upon species to species. In species, different organisms have different lifespan. Now the participation of an organism, participation of a parent, either one parent or two parent is involved, our reproduction is divided. It is divided into asexual and sexual reproduction. In asexual, single parent is involved. In sexual, two, male and female, are involved. Asexual reproduction is further divided into budding, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission occur in three types: irregular, transverse and longitudinal, which we study in detail. In asexual reproduction, single parent is involved. It occurs in unicellular as well as in multicellular organism. In unicellular organism, only asexual reproduction occurs, with or without the involvement of gamete formation. Like this. First is asexual reproduction is also known as agamegenesis and agamegeny. Because of cell mitotic division, asexual reproduction is also known as somatogenic reproduction. Binary fission. The cell of the nuclei divides into two halves, the daughter nuclei, and that daughter nuclei develops into an adult cell. Binary fission occurs in amoeba, paramecium, yeast, hydra, but it occurs in different types, some in irregular, some in transverse and some in a longitudinal way. In amoeba, binary fissions occur in irregular binary length. The nucleus divided into two halves. The nucleus elongation is irregular. It can vary from cell to cell. In one amoeba cell, it elongates much higher, and in another one, it is shorter. So this is irregular binary fission. Next is our longitudinal binary fission. In longitudinal binary fission, longitudinal cut in the nucleus occurs. For example, the binary fission in Euglena occurs. In all flagellates, longitudinal binary fission occurs. In this, you can see in the diagram, nucleus cut in a longitudinal way and it matures in that way only, so that their length will not get shortened. This is the longitudinal binary fission. Next is the transverse binary fission. In transverse binary fission, transverse cut in the nuclei occurs. Example, our paramecium. It's very clear in the diagram. In all ciliates, transverse binary fission occurs. Daughter nuclei generate from the parent cell and they mature is the same adult paramecium. Next is our budding. Budding occur in a yeast hydra. What is budding? In budding, as you can see in the diagram, in a parent cell, in a parent yeast, a small bud is produced. Then that small bud get mature. It remain attached to the parent cell. It start maturing. After enough time, it mature completely. When the maturity completes, eventually it's separated from the parent yeast and it grows into an adult one. This is your budding. In budding, you can see the unequal and small buds produced from the parent cell. It matures with the time, and that small bud with the maturity separates from the parent cell. This is budding. Next is our multiple fission. Like binary fission, the nucleus divided into two. Multiple fission, nucleus divided into numbers. It can be of any number. Simultaneously, a nucleus divided into a number of nuclei, daughter nuclei. Example, Plasmodium. A malarial parasite by which malaria occurs. So the nucleus divided into many cells. Points to remember. If in plants, vegetative reproduction is also known as asexual reproduction. Plants में भी asexual reproduction होता है. You have studied in class 11th. We called it as vegetative reproduction. And for this, the parts which are involved in vegetative reproduction are sucker, tuber, bulb. You can see in our 11th presentation about the asexual reproduction of the plants. In fungi and algae, asexual reproduction occurs by the spore formation. Most common type are zoospores, sporangiospores, conidia, odia. All are the examples of in fungi and algae. We study about the clone. The term used is a clone. Clone is an identical twin of an species. Clone is an identical twin of our species. It can be morphological, similar species of our own self. Clone can be of any animal, clone can be of any human being, clone can be of any plant is there. So, clone, we have heard the example dolly sheep of an animal is the exact clone of a sheep. Thank you. And our next presentation is all about the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is also a part of the reproduction in organism. To make it easier for you, I have done sexual reproduction in another presentation.